Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to explore how to create and manage personal goals using Todoist. First things first, let's open the Todoist app and navigate to the top right corner to click on the Add Project button. This is where we'll create a new project for our personal goals. The reason we do this is to separate our personal goals from other tasks, helping us focus better on what matters. Now that we've done that, let's give our project a name, something meaningful like Personal Goals 2025. This helps us because a well-named project will serve as a constant reminder of our objective whenever we open the app. Next up, we add tasks to our project. Click on Add Task and input your goal. For instance, learn Spanish. The beauty of Todoist is that you can break down this big task into smaller manageable subtasks like Complete Spanish Beginner Course. This helps us track our progress and motivate us as we complete each subtask. Once you've added all your goals as tasks, it's time to prioritize. Todoist allows you to assign priority levels to your tasks. Let's mark the most important tasks as priority 1. This is crucial because it helps us focus our energy and time on what's most important first. Now, here's what's happening behind the scenes. As you complete tasks and subtasks, Todoist will track your progress. It will show you how close you are to completing your goals. This is a great motivator and helps keep you on track. And there you have it. You've just learned how to create and manage personal goals in Todoist. Remember, the key is to break down your big goals into smaller tasks, prioritize, and let Todoist help you track your progress. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.